Autonomous AI is changing the way we interact with technology. It is revolutionizing our understanding of what machines can do. Imagine machines that learn, adapt, and make decisions without any human intervention. This is the incredible promise of autonomous AI. These advanced systems use complex algorithms and machine learning techniques to make informed decisions. They can process vast amounts of information and act independently. This technology is rapidly evolving and becoming more sophisticated. Autonomous AI can analyze large volumes of data quickly and efficiently. This capability helps them identify patterns, make predictions, and provide insights. They can adjust to new information, learn from it, and improve their performance over time. This makes them suitable for a wide variety of tasks, from self-driving cars to personalized medicine and beyond. Autonomous AI offers significant potential for businesses. These systems can automate tasks, improving efficiency. They can also analyze market trends and customer behavior. This allows businesses to make better decisions. Autonomous AI can personalize customer experiences. It can also optimize supply chains and reduce costs. For example, imagine a retail company using autonomous AI. The AI system could personalize product recommendations for each customer. It could also optimize inventory management. This would lead to increased sales and reduced waste. Businesses in various sectors can benefit from this technology. The rise of autonomous AI presents numerous ethical and governance challenges that we must address. One major concern is the potential for bias in AI decision-making processes. If the data used to train AI systems is biased, the AI will inevitably reflect and perpetuate those biases. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes affecting various aspects of society. Another significant concern is the lack of transparency in AI decision-making processes. It can be incredibly difficult to understand how some AI systems reach their conclusions, making them seem like a black box. This lack of transparency makes it challenging to hold AI accountable for its actions and decisions. There are also growing concerns about job displacement due to AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they may automate jobs currently performed by humans, leading to significant changes in the workforce. Section 4. The United Nations Perspective. The United Nations recognizes the need for AI regulation. In 2021, UNESCO adopted the Recommendation on the Ethics of Artificial Intelligence. This document provides a global framework for ethical AI development and use. It emphasizes the importance of human rights, inclusion, and sustainability in AI. The UN's report highlights the need for international cooperation on AI governance. It calls for the establishment of ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure AI benefits humanity. The report emphasizes the importance of inclusivity and fairness in AI development and deployment. Section 5. Frameworks for Responsible AI. Addressing the challenges of autonomous AI requires robust frameworks. Accountability is crucial. We need mechanisms to ensure that AI systems are used responsibly. Data governance is another essential aspect. This involves ensuring the quality, security, and privacy of data used to train AI systems. Transparency is also vital. We need to understand how AI systems make decisions. This will help build trust and ensure accountability. Collaboration between governments, industry leaders, and researchers is essential. This will help develop ethical guidelines and standards for autonomous AI. Section 6. The Future of Autonomous AI. The future of autonomous AI holds both promise and uncertainty as we stand on the brink of a new era. These systems have the potential to revolutionize various industries from manufacturing to transportation. They can improve efficiency, enhance decision-making, and drive innovation in ways we have yet to fully imagine. However, it is crucial to manage the development and deployment of autonomous AI carefully to avoid potential pitfalls. We need to address the ethical and governance challenges that come with such powerful technology. This requires establishing clear guidelines and regulations to ensure responsible use. We must also prioritize education and public awareness about AI to foster a well-informed society. By embracing a cautious and responsible approach, we can harness the power of autonomous AI for the betterment of humanity, ensuring it serves as a force for good.